In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a contact's information using the Gmail sidebar. First, open your Gmail inbox in a web browser so you can see the interface we'll be working with. On the far right side of the screen, you'll notice a narrow vertical strip known as the side panel. This panel houses quick access tools, and the one we want is the Contacts shortcut. Look for the blue Contacts icon. It typically looks like a person's silhouette on a blue background. Click that, and a compact contacts view will slide open without taking you away from your inbox. Once the Contacts panel is open, you'll see a list of people associated with your account. If the list is long, use the search field at the top of the panel to quickly find the person you want to update. Typing just a first or last name is usually enough to narrow it down. When you spot the correct contact, click their name to open a small details card right inside the sidebar. This card gives you a quick snapshot of their information so you can immediately see what might need updating. To start editing, look for the pencil icon on that contact card. The pencil is the universal edit button here. Click it and the fields will become editable. You can update things like the person's name, company, job title, email addresses, phone numbers, and any notes you've saved. Take a moment to verify each field. It's a great opportunity to correct old numbers, standardize formatting, or add missing details. If you manage multiple email addresses for the same person, make sure the primary one is clearly identified so your messages and suggestions stay accurate across Gmail. After making your changes, click Save to finalize the edits. Save tells Gmail to update the contact immediately, and those changes will carry over to other Google services tied to your account. If you're editing during a busy day, don't worry. Your updates are quick and you won't lose your place in the inbox since everything happens in the sidebar. It's a good habit to double check the saved card for accuracy right after you save, just to confirm everything looks the way you intended. That's all it takes. Open the Contacts icon in the Gmail sidebar, choose the person you want to adjust, tap the pencil to edit, and click Save when you're done. With this simple workflow, you can keep your address book accurate without leaving your inbox, making it faster to email the right people with the right information every time.